Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. The Yoruba Nation agitator, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, has been reportedly arrested in Cotonou, Benin Republic on Monday night. He was arrested at an airport in Cotonou, according to what a top source familiar with this issue said. So what next after he has been reportedly arrested in another country? The source of this breaking news said that Igboho will be repatriated to Nigeria as soon as possible on Tuesday, specifically from Benin Republic. Benin Republic is a neighboring country to Nigeria, in case you are wondering. According to the source, and I quote, he was arrested in Cotonou while he tried to travel out on Monday night. His destination was Germany. The security forces in Benin Republic should repatriate him to Nigeria on Tuesday, according to the Punch.